Good evening, students. Today I am back with another interesting topic which is called as electroplating. Okay, so electroplating is a process which is used to make roll gold items or roll copper items or imitation jewelry. Okay, so now I'm going to show, without wasting your time, I'm going to show you how I'm going to coat this key with copper. Okay, how I'm going to coat this key with copper. So when I coat this key with copper, this key is generally made up of very cheaply available iron, okay, iron metal. So now when I coat this with copper, it will appear as if it is made up of copper metal. Okay, it means outer layer of the key entirely we are going to coat it with copper as if it appears as if it is made up of copper. Okay, so here, so I am taking this key in a clip and I'm dipping this in a solution. Okay, I'm dipping this key in a solution and I'm counting the time: 1 2 3 4. So let us wait for a few seconds. So when we wait for a few seconds, then after that let us see what happens. So let us count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so now I am taking this out and now you can see, so completely its color has changed. So it is visible as copper item. Okay, can you observe here? Can you observe it? So it is visible as copper item. I think you can observe the color difference in the video. Okay, so if we keep for still more time, still red it will become. Okay, if we keep for still more time, it will become still more red. You can see the difference here completely. Okay, you can see the difference between this key and previous one. You can see the difference between this key and previous one. So still if we keep it for some more time in the solution, still more red it will become. So this is how it became still more red. Okay, so I think the difference you can observe, color difference you can observe in the video. Now let me do this on the other one. Okay, on the other key. So this key, as you can observe, it is shining. Okay, it is shining like silver or white in color. Okay, so now I'm going to dip this key in the solution. I'm going to dip it in the solution. So I request you to remember its color now itself, because once I dip it in the solution, it is going to change its color. So let us see. Let us wait for few seconds. So now you can see it has completely changed into red. Okay, so copper was coated on this key. Completely it was changed into copper red. Okay, so you can observe the difference clearly in the previous key and in this key. You can observe the difference very clearly. I think in the video it's visible. So let us dip it for few more minutes. Okay, let us dip the key for few more minutes. So even more red it will become when we dip it for few more minutes. it will become even more red. It means more and more copper will be deposited on this key. So here you can observe clearly it has become completely reddish. So completely it has become copper red. Okay, copper was coated on this key completely. You can see the difference clearly. Now let me explain you how this works.